Everyone, today I'm looking at a 3 carat plus diamond. There's a baguette cut. Some of the claws you see here on the top right hand corner is broken, and on the here is also broken. Bottom is worn. So we need to the top two. We need to redo the claws. And the side stones looks fine. About here, so quite worn. Quite worn. So let's fix it. There's no stamping marks on this. No stamping mark. I don't really know what is it, but the whole ring doesn't really change color, so I'm guessing it's platinum. So I'm going to take out the stone first, then send it to the lab. You can see an elongated cullet. Then you can see a cloud on about 11 o'clock near the elongated cullet.